Welcome to Data Guy, the channel dedicated to helping you unlock the power of data.
Hey everyone, welcome to Data Guy. In this video, we're going to see how to download and install MySQL Workbench in Windows. And so just stay with me. I'll just explain you from the scratch. All you need to do is just go to Google, type MySQL Workbench download. It's already there. I'll just click this, and you'll see a lot of links. But make sure you click this. Don't download the this developer zone. We need to download and install the community version. Okay, so let's just click this link, MySQL Workbench. Then go to downloads. Okay, just scroll down. At the end, you'll see a link with name MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Okay, click this. Now, actually, my operating system is Windows, so I'm doing this. If you're using Mac or Linux, there are a lot of other videos in YouTube. You can refer that, but quite frankly, for all the operating system, it's the same process. All you need to do is to click the right thing. That's it. Okay, so I'll just click the MySQL installer for Windows. Okay, this is the latest version. Make sure you download and install this 558 MB space. It works on both both 32-bit and 64-bit. MSI installer will download this. Okay, you don't have to create an account, just start my download. Okay, we'll wait for a few minutes till it gets downloaded. Okay, the download is done. Let's click and install the file. Okay, preparing to install. Okay, once you'll get a Windows like this. It'll have few options. Just click the custom so that you can select which all products you want to be installed, and click next. All you need to do is let me see which one we need. We need a MySQL server, so we'll get this. Then we want a MySQL Workbench like this, and we also need a MySQL shell. Okay, just these three things is enough. You don't want the router, documentation, all these things you don't need. So we have selected this three things to be installed. Click next. Okay, click next. Click execute. So alright guys, so all three has been installed. It will actually take some time. I just forwarded the video to make it short, but it will take some time for it to get installed. Okay, so we'll click next and ready to configure. Next, we'll keep it as it is, development computer, and we'll use a strong password encryption, the default mode. MySQL will ask you to set a password. I call it as root password, and this is mainly important for you to sign in into your workbench. So make sure you remember it. Once you've entered, click next. Then nothing more to change. Next, then next as well. Now you can grandfill them, and also wait for it to complete all the tasks. I just forwarded and I've clicked the finish button, but it'll take some time. Okay, and click next button, and once you click finish, the installation is completed. Okay, sometimes this C programming files window will pop up. No need to worry, you can just close it up. Once you close it, MySQL Workbench, once the installation is complete, MySQL Workbench will automatically open. Okay, I've already used MySQL, and hence to make this video I have uninstalled and reinstalled it. Hence you can see the files, but when you don't see these files, don't worry. When I try to open this, it asks for the password, the root password, the password which I gave before. I need to enter this so that I can access this. You can always save the password so that you don't have to enter it again and again. Okay, that's about it, and I'll see you in the next one. And this is a basic thing about how to install MySQL Workbench. Just go through all the tabs and everything. You'll understand. We'll explain more about the Workbench in the next session. Okay, bye.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Data Guy channel.